right, let's do a quick test. For the next 5 seconds, I want you to do nothing except focus on my voice. No checking your phone, no thinking about what's for dinner, just listen. Ready? Okay. Be honest. Did your mind wander? Even for a second? If it did, don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, most of us struggle to focus, and we don't even realize how bad it's gotten. Think about it. When was the last time you actually sat down and did one thing without switching tabs, grabbing your phone, or getting distracted by the tiniest noise? It's hard, right? And the crazy part? It's not even your fault. Your brain has been trained to crave distractions. Every notification, every scroll, every little dopamine hit, it's rewiring your focus, making it harder and harder to stay locked in on one thing. But here's the good news. Focus isn't something you either have or don't have. It's a skill. And like any skill, you can train it. You just need to know how. So, let's do another test. I want you to stare at one object in the room. Anything. Maybe it's your phone, a water bottle, or even your hand. Just pick something and focus on it. Don't blink too much. Don't let your eyes wander. Just look. Now, while you do that, I want you to notice what happens in your brain. Do you start thinking about something random? Do you feel the urge to look away? That's your brain fighting against focus. It's so used to jumping from one thing to the next that even staring at something feels unnatural. Wild, right? But here's where things get interesting. The more you practice holding your attention, even for a few seconds, the stronger your focus gets. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the better it works. And trust me, focus is everything. It's the difference between actually finishing that book you started or getting lost in endless distractions. It's what separates people who get things done from people who always feel busy but never actually make progress. And if you're thinking, okay, but how do I actually improve my focus? Don't worry, I've got you. Because by the end of this video, you're going to have a clear, simple way to train your brain to stay focused, no matter how many distractions try to pull you away. Sound good? Let's get into it.